General Supply and Metals Incorporated was originated in 1947 through the Pattis family. It's always been a family-owned company. We are a metal service center, and we do light fabrication. We serve the waterfront, manufacturing, home building, and various machine shops and trade schools.
We cut regular steel, stainless steel, aluminum. We cut brass, copper, bronze. And because we're right off the coast, we deal with the fishing industry a lot. So a lot of people come to us for AR plates, hard alloy plates, and we do anchors, plow blades. We get into all kinds of stuff.
The reason we purchased both plasma and water jet was to be competitive and keep up with technology. We went with Swift-Cut because it was a dependable machine. It had good capabilities for our operation, and it had easy learning technology in it where it seemed very user-friendly. Swift-Cut had a great training program. Everybody's adapted to it well.
When we were looking for water jets, we were looking for low maintenance and tech support. Swift-Cut jumped out at us, and we just thought it was the right fit.
It's a great table, great machine. The cut quality is very good. It's a very precise machine. The hole size cuts right on point within 10,000ths of an inch. The water jet is amazing because it basically is a finished product after the cut is done. We have been using it non-stop. We're able to do a lot of precision work, even decorative, artistic type jobs. The plasma helps as far as getting out parts faster. It helps clean-wise. We don't have to scrape much of the bottom of them. It's a fast cut, very smooth. The edges, very nice. Compared to our old machine that we had, we get a lot more done productivity-wise. It is a lot faster for us production-wise.
I sell service. I'm a service-oriented company, so if I can get things done quicker, everybody's happy at the end. We all know time is money. With the dual technology of these two machines, we definitely are more competitive, and it opens up so many doors to a lot of different industries that we would have never touched upon. I think we can take it to the next level, probably put in more machines, maybe expand some of the capacity that machines have, and get us more into a fabrication, maybe a finished product house eventually.